Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys the top 20 Linux commands which will be helpful to you whether you are applying for jobs as a Linux system admin or if you are preparing for Linux certifications such as RHCSA, LFCS and Linux Plus. Also, if you are a beginner in Linux, these are the basic and most needed commands for you. If you are already system admin, Linux system admin, I think these commands will help you to brush up your knowledge as well. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first command I'm going to show you guys ls. This command is list the file in directory, and ll is another command that will help you to show the all the directory and files under here. Okay, so these are the way we can check list the directory. And another command I'm going to show you guys cd, that is changing a directory. So let's say I'm in the root directory now. If you do pwd, it will show the present working directory. I'm under the root, right? So cd is changing the directory. Let's go to the home here. Okay, cd home. Okay, now I'm under the home directory. If I do pwd, you can see I'm under the root and home directory. Okay, so if you do ll, you're gonna see two files here which I already created. Now I'm going to show you guys another command, that is mkdir. This command will create the directory. Okay, so let's create the directory my directory. Okay, if you do ll, you're gonna see my directory over here that we just created. It's a kind of folder in the Windows system. So if I want to delete that directory, I got a command that is rmdir my directory. Okay, if you hit the tab, it will automatically comes the the name after putting the sum. Like let's say if I put mid and then tab button, it will come automatically everything. So this will delete the directory. If we do ll, my directory is gone under the home directory. Okay guys, another command that I'm gonna give you is torch. The torch command is used to create a new file in the file system. You can specify the name of the file you want to create and put whatever you want to do. Torch, let's do file name my file. Okay, it's gonna create the file. Okay, if you do ll, you see here name my file. I think it's already there, so it did not take it. So let's do the my file 1. Okay, if you do ll, you're gonna see file name my file 1 here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do another thing over here. I'm gonna copy this my file 1 to the my file directory. Okay, I'm gonna my file 1 this file to the this directory. Okay, and then do okay. So if I go here under the my file, and you can see that my file 1 that I copied with this command. Okay, so I prefer to do copy with prv. That means it will keep the same permission from the file that you are copying. And r is a recursive. That means if you are doing the copying the folder, if anything under the folder, it will also copy that. And verbose means that seeing the activity when you copy the file. Okay, now to show you guys that, let's create another folder here, mkdir, a new folder. Okay, so if you see here, you can see new folder. I'm going to copy that new text to new txt to the new folder. new folder, and I put the PRV, and B is verbose, R is recursive, and P is all the permission and whatever it is here, it will copy over here. Okay, you see, this is the verbose. If I don't do the verbose, you won't see this one. And let's go to the new folder, and you will see over here next.txt. If you see, the same permission is here, and you got the same over here. Okay, now I did copy and touch mb. Okay, another command I'm going to show you guys. mb is we use for the two purposes. One is changing the name, and other is moving file one location to other location. So copy is just making the copy, the second file of the same file. The moving is completely changing the file location, one location to other location, and also changing the name. Let's do the first. Let's change the name, new.txt, right? What do you want to change? old.txt. Okay, if you go here, you see it changed the name of the new to old.txt. Over here it was new and it is old.txt. Now let's move the old.txt file to the, what do you want to change? Root home my file. Okay, I'm going to keep that there. Okay, so cd double dot will take you back to the here my file location. Okay, if you do only cd, it will take you to the root. So I'm doing the cd double dot, it will take me the previous folder, and that's, you see over here, old.txt. If you go back and then cd new folder, you won't see the old.txt file because we moved that to the my file. Okay guys, now another command I'm going to show you guys. cd, let's go back to the previous folder. Here I got the old.txt file. If I want to remove, I can do rm old.txt. The rm, if you want to delete the folder, do the rmdr. If you want to delete the file, do old.txt. If you want to do like forcefully, you can do rm rf, that is recursively, forcefully will delete the file. And that's all for that. And let's do the cat command. Cat command is used to concatenate files and display the output in the terminal. How? Let's see, cat and file name .txt. You see, and this, under this file I have written this. I'm learning Linux. This is a cool video. I like to learn Linux. Linux is my favorite OS. So that will show the content of the file. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys chmod command. The chmod command is to changing the permission. Okay, on this file you see over here, it has 755 permission. I will make another video for the permission one. For now, let's change that chmod. I already put it 600 new.txt. If you do ll over here, you can see the new.txt permission has changed. It was this one and changed to this one. And I'm going to show you another one here. chown is changing the ownership. You see over here, this file owns by root user and root group. Okay, so I'm going to change that to my Ubuntu user. My Ubuntu is the user that I created for this VM, and do new.txt. Okay, if you see over here, this new.txt was the root user ownership, root group and root user, and I changed that to the my Ubuntu. Okay, so now another command I'm going to show you guys, du -x. It will show is the disk that is the under the file. Okay, sorry, that disk that is df-s. It will show all the disks that our server has. Okay, so you see over here, these are the disks. And another command is du, disk uses. The du command is used to display the disk uses of the file and directory. Let's do du command. It will show this directory use this mouse file, this. Okay, this is the very useful command, guys. And also command that I'm going to show you guys, ping command. Let's do ping 8.8. I don't think I have allowed this one. Okay, yeah, I allowed this one to reach. Ping is a very useful command to check the another server is available or is available from this server or not. Yeah, so ping also must use this command in Linux. Another command I'm going to show you guys, ifconfig. So I have to install this what is called this services, this packages to see that ifconfig. Let's install it because I just created that VM from the Azure portal, so I haven't done anything. Now I'm going to put the ifconfig. Okay, it will show the IPv4 address, net mask, broadcast address, and IPv6, and all the required IP address. So another command to see the IP address is IP address show. Okay, in shortcut you can do IPAS. It will the same result like this. Alright guys, so what something wrong here, guys. Okay, sorry, let's I'm gonna give this name dot my folder one dot what is called, we can create the folder name here, that is tar.gg, and then in the file name that we are trying to. Okay, so if you do ll, you can see this folder we change to the this one, and you see the size is much smaller than the previous one. And now if we wanna change this tar folder to regular one, what are we gonna do? Tar xjvf and then new folder 1, and if you do enter, you can see the folder that we because the name that is already there, so you guys may not realize. Folder 2, I'm gonna change that folder name, folder the old, I think that will make sense. Okay, so now if I go for the tar xjvf new folder 1. Okay, if you see over here, you see this is tar xjf file will return back to the original one. Tar c will clear the new one, tar x will extract this file. Alright guys, so far what we learned ls command, and we learned cd command, and we learned rm command to remove the file. We also learned rmdr command, removing the directory. We also run ch1 command, and we learned chmod command, and what also we learned ll command, and also we learned cp command, copying the file, mv command, removing and moving the file from one location to another location, and we also learn ping command, and we also learn ip address show command. We also learn ifconfig, and we learn tar. So this is the very important and commands in Linux for the beginner or anyone that are trying to pass the Linux certification. Hope this video helped you guys a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video, and good luck to you.